Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Imranis Faisal and I am from Management 23T. I will try to answer the questions at the heading. Pancasila as the foundational ideology of Indonesia remains relevant as a basis for addressing modern social and political challenges. Here is a deep analysis based on the provided argumentative finds. The first is universality and eternity of Pancasila's principle. Pancasila consists of five principles and encompassing divinity, humanity, unity, democracy, and social justice. These values are universal and timeless, as they cover fundamental principles that can be applied in various social and political contexts. Belief in one Almighty God, for example, underscores the importance of spirituality in the nation's life, while just and civilized humanity emphasizes respect for human rights. The unity of Indonesia highlights the importance of nationalism and democracy, guided by the inner wisdom of deliberation among representatives and social justice for all Indonesian people, emphasize democratic principles and social justice that remain relevant to this day. The second is specific examples of Pancasila in national policies. One example where Pancasila has effectively guided national policies in the implementations of sustainable development policies. This value within Pancasila encourages equitable development, reflected in programs such as the Village Fund, which aims to strengthen villages across Indonesia, create social justice, and promote participatory democracy at the local level. Additionally, policies related to interreligious harmony are rooted in the principles of belief in one Almighty God and just and civilized humanity, promoting tolerance and social harmony. The third is counter arguments. The need for a more contemporary of flexible guiding philosophy. Critics argue that Pancasila may be less flexible in addressing contemporary issues such as digitalization, environmental problems, and globalization. In the digital era, for example, the challenges to maintain ethics and integrity in cyberspace, which may require new interpretation or addition to Pancasila's values. Similarly, environmental issues and climate change may require more explicit emphasis on sustainability and environmental protections, which, although implicit in social justice, might need to be more strongly articulated in policies and practices. And the next is the role of Pancasila in promoting unity amid diversity. Indonesia is known for its diversity of ethnic cities, religions, races, and cultures. Pancasila plays a crucial role in maintaining unity amid this diversity. The principle of the unity of Indonesia formed the foundation for creating a strong sense of nationalism, while the principle of just and civilized humanity democracy guided by the inner wisdom of deliberation among the representatives encourage inclusive dialogue and cooperation. A tangible examples Indonesia's success in maintaining national stability and harmony despite significant differences among its people. Uh, Next is analysis. Pancasila in addressing modern issues. Pancasila adequate addresses modern issues with its fundamental principle, but its implementation must continue to evolve. Digitalization, for instance, demands the development of policies that ensure fair digital access and ethical information management. Management in line with the principle of social issues. Social justice. Environmental problems can be addressed by reinforcing the commitment to sustainability already inherent in the spirit of social justice. Globalization requires to the adaptive application of the unity of Indonesia's principle, ensuring that openness to the outside world does to not undermine national identity and social integrity. And the conclusion is Pancasila remains relevant as a foundation for addressing modern social and political challenges in Indonesia. However, the application and interpretation of Pancasila's values must be continuously updated and adapted to the times. And adapting a flexible approach to integrating Pancasila with contemporary policies will ensure that these noble values continue to function effectively as a guide in facing various modern challenges. That's all from me. Thank you for listening my answers. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.